Remove the batteries from the mower. Release the brake pedal from the braking position. Use a 13mm socket wrench to loosen the 2 bolts on top of the front frame. Use a 13mm socket wrench to loosen the 3 bolts and nuts from the bottom of the front frame. Use a T30 bit to loosen the 2 screws in front of the front frame assembly. Remove the front frame from the mower. Disconnect the headlight PCBA cable connector. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 2 screws on the back of the left and right headlight PCBA. Use a T30 bit to loosen the 4 screws at the front of the left and right headlight assemblies, then remove it. Use a T10 bit to loosen the 12 screws that fasten the left and right headlight PCBAs. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently lift one end of the headlight PCBA, then remove the headlight PCBAs from the lampshade assembly and replace it with a new one. Place the new headlight PCBAs in the correct position inside the lampshade. Use a T10 bit to tighten the 6 screws on each headlight PCBAs. The recommended torque is 0.3 to 0.4 Nm or 2.5 to 3.5 inch-pounds. Place the headlight assembly in the correct position on the frame, then use a T30 bit to tighten the 2 screws on each side. The recommended torque is 7 to 8 Nm or 5 to 6 foot-pounds. After plugging in the wiring harness connector, place the left and right wiring harnesses in their traps. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 2 screws on the back of the left and right headlight PCBA. The recommended torque is 0.5 to 0.6 Nm or 4.5 to 5.5 inch-pounds. Place the front frame in the correct position on the front. Use a 13mm socket wrench to tighten the 3 bolts and nuts from the bottom of the mower body. The recommended torque is 13 to 14 Nm or 9.5 to 10.5 foot-pounds. Then tighten the 2 bolts at the top on both sides. The recommended torque is 17 to 18 Nm or 12.5 to 13.5 foot-pounds. Use a T30 bit to tighten the 2 screws in front of the front frame. The recommended torque is 7 to 8 Nm or 5 to 6 foot-pounds.